3D spacing challenges are easy to understand and address with the new features in OrCAD X Presto 3D Canvas. Now you can clearly see 3D DRC errors and their spacing violations. You can adjust the view perspective of your design database. You can turn on and adjust cutting planes and also manipulate the transparency of objects to give you the exact view you need to make an informed design decision. This video will overview these new features. First, we've introduced cutting planes. These cutting planes can be found in the visibility panel. You can turn a cutting plane on and then use the slide controls to adjust the cutting plane. You can turn on multiple cutting planes to cut the design up to see what you need from any perspective. Next is the capability to control the visibility and transparency of every 3D body and mechanical symbol in your 3D view. For example, you can select an individual MCAD enclosure to be transparent or invisible. Or you can set every mechanical component to be transparent or invisible. Finally, you can now customize and control the color of all the materials used in the design to get a photorealistic display. For example, you can adjust the color of the solder mask, changing it from green to blue. Or you can make the mask layers invisible to see the conductors in your design.